Hi everyone, most welcome to your own channel. Today I am going to elaborate a beautiful poem to you. That poem is A Tiger in the Zoo, which is written by Leslie Norris. This poem compares a tiger in the zoo with the tiger is in the jungle. This poem moves from the zoo to the jungle and again back to the jungle. In zoo, tiger live in a concrete cell. He has no freedom. He feels angry, helpless, frustrated. And when he is in the forest, he always used to hiding and sliding in the long grass near the water hole and wait for his prey, a fat deer. And there he lived freely. There he terrorized the villager to displaying his sharp teeth and claws also. But in the zoo, he hears the sound of patrolling cars, and here he lives as a source of entertainment for the people. Here poet want to convey that it is cruel to keep the wild animal in a small enclosure which is away from the natural habitat. Tiger feels unhappy and helpless in the cage, so he pays no attention to the visitor who come to watch him at night, and he starts looking brilliant star with his brilliant eyes. Now students, let's go through the poem's line. So the first stanza is: he stuck in his vivid stripes, the few steps of his gaze on beds of velvet quiet in his quiet dress. Here the poet describes the appearance of the tiger in the zoo and its daily movement. Poet says that the tiger moves up and down of his cage, and tiger can be identified by the stripes on his body. The tiger walks quietly without making any noise, without making any sound, because his feet are as soft as velvet. So when he moves, no noise is made. The tiger is able to walk only few steps because of the length of its cage, and the tiger is angry because he feels trapped. He knows that he is helpless here. Now students, go through the second stanza of this poem. Listen carefully. He should be lurking in shadow, sliding through long grass near the water hole where plump deer pass. Okay, here poet suggests that the cage is not the proper place for the tiger because it not its natural habitat. And when the tiger live in a jungle, there he hide himself behind the long grass and wait for his prey there near the source of water. And animal come to the source of water to have water, and at the time the tiger attack and hunts. It is a place where he can find fat deer. Now let's move to the stanza 3. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle edge, baring his white fangs, his claws, terrorizing the village. Here, the poet wants to say that even though he would prefer the tiger to live in the wild, he imagined that what the tiger will do in case he failed to find any prey in his natural habitat. He said that the tiger's natural behavior is roaring. So it's roared near the houses which is situated at the edge of the jungle. The tiger show his white teeth and claws to scare the villager. It's not like that the tiger want to scaring the villager. It's just a tiger nature to do so. Here in this stanza, poet want to give a hint that if we destroy the natural habitat of tiger, then they will be forced to turn to our town and village to find their food. Now let's go through the stanza 4. So listen carefully. But he is locked in a concrete cell, his strength behind the bars, stalking the length of his cage, ignoring visitor. Here poet stops imagining the tiger alternate life and return to its real one. The poet sees the tiger a small concrete cell in the zoo, like a prisoner in the jail. In spite of all his strength, but his strength cannot break the iron bars of the cage. Its work in the cage, it now lies imprisoned behind the bars, and the tiger pays no attention to the visitor who come to see him every day at the zoo. And instead of this, very slowly and silently move up and along the length of the cage without any disturbance. Now students, let's move from stanza 5. He hears the last voice at night, the patrolling cars, and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars. Here, the poet describes about the daily routine of the tiger. The tiger does not rest during the day because of the visitor, even at night also. The last voice that he hears is the voice of the patrolling cars. The patrolling cars come to check if all the animals are safe in the cage. He keeps staring at the brilliant stars with his brilliant eyes. Perhaps like the star shines in the darkness and give us light, he too hoped to be back in the jungle. So student, I hope you will enjoy this beautiful and realizing poem about the helpless situation of the tiger. So friends, my heartfelt request to you also that please pay attention to the helpless situations of the animals, and if you have any queries related to this poem, then please come to an inbox and comment there. Thanks for watching this video. Keep safe, keep well. Thank you.